This is the Volvo Report on man's inhumanity to machine. Boy, are you Americans rotten to your cars. You, more than anyone, need a car that's built with people's human frailties in mind. May we suggest a Volvo? 9 out of every 10 Volvos registered here in the last 11 years are still on the road. It's amazing. Simply amazing. We can't guarantee exactly how long you can drive a Volvo before it quits on you. But we do know that 9 out of every 10 Volvos registered here in the last 11 years are still on the road. Of course, so are a lot of other cars. But the Volvos are still being driven. America is full of nice, rotten vacation spots. Nice to go to, rotten to get to. And you might never see them, unless you go in a car as tough as a Volvo. Buy a Volvo. Don't miss someplace nice just because it's a little hard to get to. Some cars are built primarily to be looked at, but Volvos are built primarily to be driven. So Volvos have contour bucket seats that keep you comfortable through hours of driving. They're infinitely adjustable and are designed to support your body firmly and keep you from sliding all over the place. Sorry. It's bad enough being told that your 3-year-old car is worth only half what you thought it was. But what really hurts is being told by the same guy who sold it to you in the first place. Why not take your old car to a Volvo dealer? He'll sell you a car that holds up. 95% of all the Volvos registered in the United States in the last 11 years are still on the road. Buy a Volvo and keep it a long time. Then you can get out from under car payments and car salesmen for a while.
Hey, Volvo, hey, Viking.
Das ist der Volvo 144 Deluxe. Komfortabel, sicher und geräumig.
Hey, Volvo.
Ein Wagen, in dem auch eine große Familie bequem Platz findet. Und zu ihren Kindern ist der Volvo besonders freundlich.
Hey, Volvo.
Er hat serienmäßig eingebaut, was viele andere Wagen nicht einmal auf der Extraliste haben.
Hey, Volvo.
Nehmen Sie ruhig Ihre ganze Familie zur Probefahrt mit. Ihr Volvo-Händler ist nicht weit.
Hey, Volvo, hey, Viking.
Das ist der Volvo 1800e. Und das der Volvo 144 Grand Luxe.
Hey, Volvo.
Er fährt mit elektronischer Benzineinspritzung. Eine Luxuslimousine mit dem Drive eines Sportwagens. Sein Interieur hat Stil und Klasse.
Hey, Volvo.
Lernen Sie diesen Luxus-Volvo näher kennen. Ihr Volvo-Händler ist nicht weit.
The new Volvo models are on the road, developed and improved for comfort and safety. Both are standard features. So is our dual-circuit triangular brake system. By the way, we make trucks too.
We've strapped John Cameron Swayze to this stock standard Volvo to demonstrate just how much this man can take.
John, you're too much.
Of the 9 million new cars sold in America last year, nearly 5 million were hardtops. The public, it seems, is in love with hardtops. At Volvo, we're not, because hardtops don't hold up. Every Volvo has 6 steel pillars, like this. Each one is strong enough to support the weight of the entire car. And because Volvos are built strong, they hold up. Of course, we can't guarantee how long. But we do know Volvos are built so well that in Sweden they last an average of 11 years. Now that's a hardtop.
Are you ready? He may come in. Remember all your selling points? Volvo comfort, economy, strength, power, and that cunning dual-circuit brake system? It's safer. Oh, no, you're exaggerating. Forget those old tricks. You know our competitors don't like them. Can't you see he just wants to go for a test drive? In a way, it's absurd. A Volvo is built to last a long time. Yet it doesn't take some people long to make up their minds.
In Sweden, the national automobile inspections are perhaps the roughest in the world. In all, 200 components are examined. And if your car fails, you're ordered to have it fixed. Fast, or you could be forbidden to drive it at all. It has to be towed away. So when Swedes buy a car, how well it'll do in these inspections is one of their biggest concerns. Perhaps this explains why Volvo is the largest selling car in Sweden. You see, when we build a Volvo, how well it'll do in the inspections is one of our biggest concerns too. Volvo, we build them the way we build them because we have to.
Presenting the new Olympian, the epitome of understated elegance.
Cut, strike the girl, bring in the engineer.
This year, Olympian continues to stress engineering and the fine principles of...
Car makers are changing their tune. Instead of fluff, they're talking about things like disc brakes and strong bodies. They're trying to build the kind of car Volvo has built for years. Where were they when you needed them?
Attention please. All passengers on SAS flight SH Part 01 to Copenhagen, London.
Whatever the circumstances, it's nice to know your wife is driving a safe car.
Attention please. There is immediately departure with SAS service SK957 to Copenhagen, Frankfurt, Zurich, Lisbon, Recife.
For husbands who really care.
I'm sorry, honey, but you'll have to take care of this yourself. I have a very busy schedule today.
Every morning, men leave their little women to struggle with the biggest, heaviest cars on the road. Station wagons.
Have a good day.
You too. Of course, we do need space to carry the kids and the dogs and the groceries, but that doesn't mean we have to lug around a lot of car. There's enough space in a Volvo wagon to fill 4 refrigerators full of groceries. Yet the Volvo wagon is as easy to park and maneuver as a Volvo sedan, because it's exactly the same size. How are we going to get mobilized if we can't even get out of the parking lot?